Baby Ranger, di ba? Te? Ito ba yun, Baby Reindeer? Napanood nyo na yung Baby Reindeer? Kuya John, hello everyone. So, yes, I have leg. Thank you, Kuya John. I love you so much. Kisses for you. Peging phone. Hindi. Sobrang dami ko po. Juan Miguel. Hello, Juan Miguel. I'm not you boy. Ganda mo. May itsura lang. Diba? Hindi naman tayo. Pretty Lafia. Yes! Period! Alam nyo, ngayon na lang ulit ako nakapag-live. That's why I love you all. Napanood nyo ba kanina? Nakapag-live ng self lang. Like, you even know me. Hindi! Oy. I love you, May Queen Dora. I love you too. How was Uninvited? Grabe. Unexpected talaga. Damon, hello. Oh my God. Hindi ka mag-live. Damon, why are you laughing? You did great. Thank you so much, Damon. Am I pretty? Hindi mo siya akitin na parang, am I pretty? Hindi, yun ang ganyan. Don't forget to take a rest, drink water mo. Yes, actually, sobrang dami kong ininom na water. The secret call. Malapit na mag-Christmas. Oh my God. Anong oras na ba? 24 na. Christmas na bukas. So, anong regalo niyo sa akin? Kailangan may regalo kayo sa akin. Iinis ako sa inyo. Ganyan. Ano yun? Hindi ka magaganyan-ganyan dyan. So, sobrang pretty ko today. Today. Tonight. Hindi. I love you, Queen. I love you. Jowa kaso, ano? Jowa kaso nasa ibang bansa. Ha? Sino to? Anong yun? Baby Reindeer ba? O the Reindeer?
Baby Reindeer to.
Ayan yun. Napanood nyo naman yung Baby Reindeer? Malabas. Nakausi yung invitation. Ay, sorry. Wait lang. Damon. Nakalive na ba si Damon? Hindi ka naman nakalive eh.
Her name was Martha. All I could think was, if this is true, then why can't you afford a cup of tea?
Oh my God, Starla! Huwag niyo maduhan guys, please. Bakit? Actually, hindi ko naman nababa. Ano yung sinasabi nila?
I moved to London to fulfill my lifelong dream of becoming a comedian, but for whatever reason found myself late 20s, working a dead-end job and living rent-free with my ex-girlfriend's mother in a massive house miles out of town. I had arrived with such grand plans to be someone, as though my brand of wacky bullshit comedy was exactly what this world-leading city was missing. So I went vegan recently.
Ito?
Had to make some sacrifices. It's a mink hat.
Ang ganda ng glitters sa dibdib.
It's an actual mink. It's a mink staple to a
Ha?
hat.
Ano? Di ko Paul, hello.
The red carpet's for no one. It's like waking up one day to find yourself a background artist in a cast of millions. So when someone sees you through the mirror,
Shoulder?
sees you as the person you want you to be. You
Hindi ako lasing. Actually,
notice them noticing you.
after... Ang lamig, te.
Every day now, Martha would come in. Each time with new makeup, new hairstyles, like a kid playing dress up. She always opened the conversation by saying, but then would stick around for the entire shift. I always thought it was strange that she painted herself as a busy person, as though she could trick me into thinking she's not spending all her time hanging around. She always ordered the same drink every time,
Diet Coke, 20 ice.
and I always gave it to her.
Where's your dog, babe? Laughable at it. Sleep.
Instead, she would sit there on
Mama
autopilot,
cutie.
monologuing breathlessly about people in her life without ever explaining who they were.
I was talking to Steve earlier. I was trying
Actually,
to
ano,
Alan was just over there.
gusto nang kunin ni mama si
Story
Farah.
and part of her life, and when she wasn't speaking about
Pero kasi hindi ko pa binibigay kasi nga
all the famous people she knew, she would sit there talking
hindi
about
pa gawa yung bahay doon sa kabila. So,
Really manly hands.
sabi ko, hindi nyo pwedeng kunin muna yan hanggat hindi pa gawa. Baka may makain yan dyan.
Should be leaving Cabby Boys for
Hindi na naman ako kay mother.
for it. Man tax.
everything about her intrigued me. Her endless confidence, her weird turn of phrase, the surprising poetry that slipped through the cracks of her madness.
My birthday's coming up. Want to do something today?
Who says I want to run away?
How could
Some people run away by packing
you
their bags.
love me, friend? How would I would die? Look at my ano. Ang ganda ng ano ko, no? Ang ganda ng lagayin ko ng...
Then I would look at her in the most vulnerable moments, and I would start to reimagine her past. The school balls,
Lagayan ko ng passport.
the time she tried on wedding dresses for fun. Nights
Ang mahal nito, sobrang mahal.
losing the lives of her
Charis.
friends.
Sobrang yabang. Kala mo totoo.
So I don't know what it was, but I started paying her compliments here and there. Your birthday's coming up. Your 21st, is it?
I'm 42.
42. Well, you better get Peter Pan's moisturizer back.
Matthew, mate. You've got a silver tongue on you, you
Look.
devil boy.
Oo ka na.
Wouldn't mind teaching you where to put it. What do you say to picnic
Kailangan
fun
itin yung
times this
ganyan.
weekend?
Gago, tingnan mo naman kasi. oh.
The sun's out, Colin counts low.
Magkano
You
yan?
can get a tan without getting the sniffles. Picnic fun times are my favourite video.
I'm so happy, guys. Oh my God!
Tell you what, name the time.
Oh my God, alam niyo ba kung bakit?
I'll be the one sitting next to the gorgeous brunette.
Yes. May nakuha ako. So, hulaan niyo kung magkano to. Go, mag-comment kayo dyan.
Do everything I could to eke out of her. It was passion.
Hulaan niyo kung magkano. Ang makakahula, bibigyan ko ng
Oi, Donny! Are you going to introduce us to your girlfriend? So is this the one you're going to tell us about? The supermodel?
115, hindi. Oh my God! Hindi.
How was it?
Hindi. Hindi. Wala pa ako nababasa. 250, hindi.
For marriage.
15K, hindi. 30K, hindi.
What are you waiting for? Skirt.
400K, hindi. Oh my God, may nakatama.
Oh, you're not asking?
Ayoko sabihin. Pero may nakatama.
See, just bought a penthouse. Furnished. All I need now is just someone to hang my garden.
Hang your curtain.
Kumusta?
About it on the baking section.
Kamusta?
Okay naman. Ikaw?
Crush mo naman.
I just woke up kanina and then nagligo ako and then now I'm eating. Kasi nagutom ako. Nagutom ako. Ito, parang torta. Ito. Parang torta.
Puki.
Hmm?
Puki-puki.
May patatas, kamatis at parang beef. Parang torta, parang ganyan. Simple.
Masarap yan.
Sarap.
Sino nag-cook?
Yung mom ko.
Hmm.
Yeah. Ikaw, nag-eat ka?
Mm-mm.
Anong dinner mo? Kanina.
Nag-ano lang kami. Kumain lang kami sa fast food. Kasi ano late na kami umuwi Galing kami sa event.
That was good. You did good kanina. Napanood ko. Yung hosting mo. You did good.
Ano lang yun?
Ano?
Wala. QD, umuwi ka na? Or nasa QC ka pa? Umuwi na ako kasi may ganap pa kami mamayang mamaya. Ayoko naman magpasko sa daan. Grabe naman kayo.
Anong plano niyo sa Pasko?
Ano sana, out of town sana. Kaya lang, last year kasi hindi ako nag-Christmas and New Year dito sa Pilipinas. So, tampo na yung pamilya ko tsaka yung mga friends ko. So, hindi na ako sumama sa ito ano. Kayo?
Bahay lang. Kasama yung family ko. Karaoke, pagkain. Yun. Filipino. Ganyan.
Yeah.
Simple lang.
Kami din actually. Dun sa, hindi pa gawa yung bahay, pero dun kami.
That's good.
Kasi dito medyo masyadong masikip. So, ayan.
How about, New Year's? Anong plano niyo?
New Year baka hindi kami dito.
Out of town?
Feeling ko. Ano, mag-spaghetti kayo?
Sa Pasko? Maybe. I think so. Yeah, I think meron. Yeah.
Shanghai.
Maybe.
Nakita ka na kanina sa event. Ano nga yung suot ko? Grabe yung suot ko kanina.
Anong plano mo, mamaya? Or may work ka? Bukas.
Later.
Umaga.
Hanggang hapon. Actually, hanggang ano nga hanggang 30.
30 December. Oh. Pero that's good. Busy. That's good. Ako, on break. Yeah.
Hello, Jan. Kamusta naman?
I'm on Christmas break na. So, babalik ako sa work 30.
30. Oh, matagal.
30.
Oh, New Year.
I think New Year may, day off din. 31 and 1. Kasi may orders kami sa work December 30. So, that's why we have to get back. 30, yeah.
Yung time sa Pilipinas tsaka time dyan, same lang din naman, no? Or,
Actually, 3 oras kami ahin. Dito, 5 a.m. na.
oh, okay. So, dito 3. 2:30. Yeah, 2:37.
Yeah, 5. Yeah.
Pwedeng mas ko dyan sa sagingan, ha? Oo, go. Yeah, yun. So, Pasko na dito, mag-wait pa kayo dyan ng 3 hours. Ganun.
Actually, yeah, depends. Yeah. So, may work ka Pasko din? O wala?
Siguro, hanggang hapon lang naman.
Hapon. That's right.
Oo nga, no, ang hirap.
Ilan hours yung event namin kanina? Ilan hours? Ilan?
Nakadating kami ng mga 3 p.m. Tapos natapos siya ng mga... Anong oras natapos, te? Kanina. Mga 9 or 10? Mga 10. Ano ka nakain?
Yung torta. Yung torta.
Ketchup. Walang ketchup.
Konti lang.
Hindi ka ketchup. Hello, Robert.
Minsan. Pero minsan wala.
Pero sa lahat ng, like, sausawan, anong pinakagusto mong sausawan?
Yung pagkain. Pinoy.
Ah.
Salmon sinigang at chicken adobo. Sarap yan.
Sausawan.
Ano?
Sausawan.
Pwede.
Di mo. Huwag na nga.
Ikaw, anong favorite food mo?
Favorite food ko, sinigang. Bulalo. Actually, marunong ako magluto ng masarap. Promise. Hindi ko sinasabi kasi luto ko.
Hmm.
Like, marunong ako magnilaga. Sinigang. Sinigang na baboy, tsaka sinigang na bangus. Tapos, tinola. Adobo.
That's good. Mm.
Ikaw, marunong ako magluto.
Ano, ibang like yung halimbawa, like, simple foods lang. Pero Pinoy hindi. Hindi ko marunong talaga yung Pinoy.
Pinoy food.
Talaga. Kasi yung mom ko siya nagluluto sa bahay namin, like, kasi love niya. She loves cooking. Yeah.
Actually, halos lahat ng nanay, no, magaling talaga sila magluto.
Mm. True. So anong plano mo na yun? Ano, you're gonna eat midnight snack or watch movie or anong plan or chill lang?
Actually, nanonood kami ng, Baby Reindeer. So, kasi, parang, nirecommend sa amin ng friend namin, si Sesabol.
Ah, okay.
So, kanina sa kotse, pauwi kami, sabi niya sa amin, napanood niyo na yung, Baby Reindeer. Sabi ko, ano yun? Basta panoorin niyo yung maganda yun, sobra. Sabi ko, anong story? Parang, daw, may lalaki na may kafubo. Tapos, pero hindi niya bet, pero kafubo niya. Na in love daw, pero na in love daw yung lalaki sa trans. Tapos, basta ganun lang sabi ko. Wag mo na ikwento, papanoorin na lang namin. So, ito nga yun.
So madalas kayo mag like halimbawa, rest lang sa bahay, watch movie, ganyan.
Every time na uuwi kami, so, pag pagod, pag like, walang ginagawa, pag may mga free time, nanonood lang kami.
How about teleserye?
Oo.
Pinoy. Anong teleserye you're watching right now?
Actually, kung marami kang time, panoorin mo or tapusin mo yung Royal Blood.
Ah, ganda yan. I watched that.
Diba?
Sa GMA, di ba? GMA, di ba?
Royal Blood. Tapos, sinapo yung video niya. Tapos, natapos din namin, kahit napanood na namin yung kay Maha Salvador, Wildflower.
Galing yan. Yung Revenge, kaganti siya, di ba? Yeah.
Tapos, ngayon yung Lavender Fields.
Ah, ni Jody. Janine. That's good.
Yes. Super ganda, super perfect. Super, ang ganda ng dimple mo.
Bet mo yan yung mga gaganti scenes like Revenge. Bet mo?
Oo.
Ako din. Kasi ano, yung ganda yung storyline.
Ang satisfying na parang, yes. O parang, oh. Yes, parang period. Slay. Parang ganun.
Yeah, true. Hmm.
What? Bilhin ko kita, bet. Sabi mo, bet.
Bet. Why may slang? Bet, bet, bet.
Ang cute ng dimple mo.
Hindi, thinking ko no.
Ha?
Huh? Yeah.
Ayoko bala ka din. Ha?
How about ano, like American, like halimbawa ibang bansa, K-drama, American.
More on sa ano sa fantasy mahilig ako sa fantasy. Like Harry
The
Potter.
Vampire Diaries, napanood mo?
Ha?
The Vampire Diaries.
Yung vampira?
The Vampire Diaries.
Actually, yung yung Twilight, tapos ko siya lahat.
Hmm.
Yung mga ganun fantasy, yung mga biglang nagiging lobo, yung mga kahit
Teen Wolf. Teen Wolf.
Oo.
Napanood mo?
Bad Wolf, napanood mo.
Teen Wolf, yung pinanood ko. Teen Wolf.
Hindi nga, yung Bad Wolf.
Hindi pa.
Maganda. Vampire Diaries.
Ganda yan. You should watch. If you're into
Netflix.
fantasy.
Netflix.
I think meron. Or, yeah, I think meron. Yeah.
Sorry po.
Yeah.
Vampire. Ano ulit siya?
The Vampire Diaries. Yeah.
Ito.
Message ko.
Wala.
What's up, Babby? What's up? Gracie, what's up? What's up, Hank? Kumusta? What's up, Renan? What's up?
Netflix. Wala siya.
Wala. May 8 seasons. 8.
You need to decide.
Amazon Prime, meron ka? Amazon Prime, meron ka? Wala. Nandun yung The Vampire Diaries.
Meron Wheel of Time. Napanood na yung Wheel of Time?
Hindi pa.
Screenshot ko. Hindi ko nakita. Napanood mo na yung ano? Um, Down with the Sickness.
Then sickness. Hindi pa.
Para siyang ito. Feeling ko maganda siya. 10 episode.
Then, Black Mirror, napanood mo? Black Mirror.
Hindi pa. Maganda rin.
Ano lang? Torta po.
Ah?
May someone asked anong ulam mo. Sa akin, sabi ko, torta. Yeah.
Masarap, ano.
Mm.
Kaboses niya si Jack.
Hello, yun na, kumusta?
Actually, ang dami nagsasabi kaboses niya si Jack. Ewan ko ba dun?
Really?
Hmm.
Hmm.
Hmm?
Antok ka? Medyo.
Medyo.
I will let you go soon para you can rest. So you can rest na. You look tired. What's up, Mackie? What's up? I'll let you go now so you can sleep. Rest. Yeah.
Thank you.
Ingat. Take care of yourself. Enjoy. Thank you. And say hi sa friends mo. Sa house mo.
Yeah.
Ingat.
See you next time ulit.
Ingat. Thank you.